In 2025, if you're a beginner watching this video, maybe you have tried ClickBank affiliate marketing before, CPA affiliate offers, you tried Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and you failed. You lost money and your time. Now, it's not your fault. Why? Because in 2025 and 2026, most importantly, you need to understand that you need someone who is going to help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, hand-holding you. Because the truth be told, honestly, you need someone. You cannot just follow some outdated courses that used to work a year ago, 3 years ago, but now it doesn't work out anymore, right? So that's the most important thing. Why? Because most of the people who are trying to make it, what they don't understand is that they need someone who can show them levels of awareness, criteria of markets, low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. This is very important if you're trying to make it online, if you're trying to make money online with any kind of offers. It's not about AI software or any kind of tools. No, this is not about IT or tech or softwares or AI at all. This is about understanding psychology of ads, how ads actually perform and work on a psychological level of marketing, and having the right message to the market match so that you're actually connecting with your audience. Okay? So that's the secret, that's the most important thing when it comes to running Google ads, Facebook ads, or any kind of ads out there, right? Put $1 in, get $2 to $5 back in 24 hours. That's how it works. Okay? That's what enabled me to travel all around the world. As you can see currently, I traveled to almost 70 countries, 69 countries in my 20s. It's not to brag, not to boast, but to show you what life is possible once you invest in yourself and start actually spending at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes per day doing this, okay? It doesn't take a genius. It just takes decision maker, action taker. So you can actually travel all around the world, have fun, see different places, cultures, experience life. This I'm also showing you, okay? As you can see over here, look. Amazing place, okay? Mindset shift is very important because look, there's always more to come, always more. You can always make more money, but the only thing you cannot make more is get back your time. Okay, so you can always get more money. As you can look on orange trees, apple trees, banana trees, they are replenishing, they are always and always growing, okay? So it's always more to come. And yes, it's still possible to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing, but as long as you're serious, as long as you seriously want to change your life, help your family, I don't know, take extra vacations somewhere, exotic places, I don't know, Italy, Bali, Thailand, Dubai, I don't know, Hawaii, anywhere you want to go, Santorini, Greece, right? So many different opportunities for you. Doesn't matter where you're coming from, what is your age, what is your background. You don't have to show your face, okay, without having to make any kind of videos. Even if you're just a beginner, even if you are 65 or 70 years old or 20 years old, doesn't matter. The matter is action taking, not making excuses, not procrastinating. Because if you're just waiting and waiting and waiting, one day it's going to finish. The end is near for every single person. We're all going to die one day. So life is short. Are you going to make excuses for yourself or are you going to take action?